How to use Reddit hide post hidden feature. To use this feature, you simply have to open the Reddit application itself first of all, then find any specific post that you want to hide. Tap on this three-dotted menu icon right next to their profile name and you will find this option called show fewer posts like this. If you tap on this, you won't be recommended such type of post or that specific post. Now, if you want to hide your own post, you simply have to tap on you from the bottom right navigation bar, tap on that specific post, and you will find this another option called delete to delete your post. But if you want to hide it from others, you can simply tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right, then access this setting panel where you will be able to access another panel called privacy. Head to this account settings, scroll a little bit down and you will find another option called curate your profile. Tap on it once again and then tap on this content and activity option where you will find hide all option. Enable this and your post will be hidden from the profile itself. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.